And I've learnt from great people from all over the world, incorporating them into not just one way, but bringing them all together to repattern the way that the brain works. Instead of creating the feeling of fear, anxiety, flight or flight, I create something else, a new feeling. So the old feeling of phobia cannot exist because I make that new feeling stronger than the old phobia feeling. All feelings, all emotions are feelings. And now if you can stop that feeling starting, it can't progress. So stop the feelings, stop the progression of fear, stop it by putting something else in its place. The phobia can't run. Simple.